Hey loves, I have an update. Literally, it's been 5 days, and yesterday, so that's been 4 days. We just literally installed the Smart Garden live. Like literally like 5 days ago, but yesterday, which was 4 days. In 4 days, which I didn't even look before that, my grandma yesterday told me, you have a plant peeking. He's out. I'm like, what? Like it's been like 4 days. So I don't know why. It said it was supposed to be 3 to 4 weeks, not days. 4 weeks, not 4 days. But it's growing. So this is amazing. I don't know if this company, I just picked it. I was doing a lot of research and I think they're the best on Amazon right now. For affordability and for the way it looks, like modern. I literally moved this last night. I kind of messed everything up. We should probably let me undo this real quick. I just let it run. I haven't even thought about it. I've just been working on other things. Guys, literally my grandma, I was like, what? It has been like literally a couple days. Let me fix these. They need to be flat so that it's like better moisture control. Okay. Do you see him? Guys, he's growing. It's our first plant. Our first one. He's so cute. How has it been 4 days and there's already growth happening? That's gonna be our cherry tomatoes. Out of all of them, we have cherry tomatoes, we have basil, parsley, cilantro, lettuce, green onions, spinach, and that's it. We have the 3 of the lettuce, 3 of the spinach, 2 green onions, and the rest are all ones. Cherry tomato are the ones that grew the fastest. Wow. Also, I'm not gonna lie, that is from Target. All of the rest are from Lowe's. If that means something, I don't know, but I'm just gonna let that be known that that is Target. Okay, now let's grab the little cat because he needs to be free so he can grow tall and long and have little baby cherry tomatoes. Cuteness. But look at him, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of us. This is my first time growing in my life. And we're doing it. And it's been 5 days. Okay, loves. This is the Nouri garden. I just want to update you guys on what's happening with my first time growing. This is for beginner growers. Also, it's like smart, high-tech things. And I'm a tech girl. I love technology. So I've been wanting this for like years and years and years when it first came out and launched. And then it was Arrow Garden, which I actually got, but I never used it. It's in my garage because I never actually ended up moving out. And that was so expensive in the beginning. It was like a starter kit, so expensive. This is so cheap. You guys can get this on Amazon. Everything got way cheaper with time. And this one's honestly like looks better to me than Arrow Garden. It's white, it's sleek, it's modern, classy, cute. Goes with anything. It's just a statement. It's beautiful material and great supplies, great box. Everything about this company, I'm so grateful that I found this one out of all the ones on Amazon. And then yeah, it's already growing. So I don't know if it's a seed. I don't know if it's the company of the dirt, everything, the soil, the food, plant A or food A and food B, which makes the water make it grow, or it's maybe Target and the seeds, who knows? But I'm just sharing you guys the journey and hope this inspires you guys or helps you guys on your garden growing, herb growing, vegetable growing experiences, life experience. Okay, loves, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys.